The most profitable remote jobs are often the most boring ones, and you might not want to hear it, but it's the truth. Many of these jobs are pretty much always hiring because most people don't even know they exist. So, let me show you 5 remote jobs that might put you to sleep, but will definitely wake up your bank account. And the best part? These positions literally can't hire people fast enough. So, let's dive in before someone else takes your spot. First up is a job that might make you pause. Funeral sales specialist. Yes, it sounds morbid, but think about it. This industry is recession-proof. Death and taxes, right? Here's the deal. You'll be helping families pre-plan funeral arrangements or selling packages to funeral homes. It's like being a wedding planner, but for a different kind of ceremony. The pay? Base salaries start at $54,000 and can go up to $86,000 annually with commissions. Some specialists even report making over $120,000 in their first year just by being compassionate and not pushy. Skills? Empathy is your superpower here. Add strong communication skills and a willingness to work in an uncomfortable yet essential industry, and you're golden. And the best part? There's almost no competition because most people don't want to do this job. Opportunity score? A solid 8.5 out of 10. Would you take on an emotionally challenging role if it guaranteed financial stability? Ever wonder who writes those instruction manuals no one reads? Meet the user manual writer, job where you translate complex tech jargon into simple steps that anyone can follow. Think of it as being the bridge between tech nerds and normal humans. The pay starts at $47,000 and can go up to $76,000 annually. One subscriber told me they landed this job with 0 experience after taking an online technical writing course, and now they make $65,000 working just 25 hours a week. Skills required? Clear writing ability, attention to detail, and patience. Lots of it. Pros? Steady workflow and independence. Cons? It can feel repetitive at times. Would you trade excitement for consistency if it meant working fewer hours for great pay? Next up is statistics validator, a job that sounds as thrilling as watching paint dry, but pays surprisingly well. Remember those ads claiming 9 out of 10 dentists recommend this toothpaste? Someone has to verify those stats, and that someone could be you. Your role involves analyzing data for accuracy and ensuring companies aren't making false claims that could lead to lawsuits. Salary ranges from $40,000 to $64,000 annually, plus bonuses for project completion. Skills needed: analytical thinking, statistical knowledge, attention to detail, and maybe some basic programming skills for good measure. How much would you enjoy being the invisible hero behind accurate marketing campaigns? WordPress powers over 43% of all websites globally, so when those sites break at 3 a.m., someone has to fix them. Enter the WordPress support technician, a remote role where you troubleshoot website issues and save small businesses from digital disasters. Starting salaries are around $42,000, but can climb up to $63,000 with experience. Skills like basic HTML, CSS knowledge, and problem-solving abilities are essential here. With flexible hours and constant demand in this field, could this be your ticket to financial freedom? Finally, we have documentation writer, a role where you create internal guides and processes for companies drowning in chaos. Think of yourself as Marie Kondo for corporate information, bringing order to disorder. The pay starts at $69,000 and can reach up to $125,000 annually if you're experienced. Plus, this field is growing fast as companies prioritize efficiency. Thought-provoking question: do you have what it takes to turn chaos into clarity and get paid handsomely for it? So there you have it. 5 boring but high-paying remote jobs that are always hiring in 2025. Which one caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. And hey, if none of these jobs excite you but the paycheck does, remember, sometimes boring is brilliant when it comes to building wealth. Don't forget to like this video if you found value today. It helps more people discover these hidden opportunities. Until next time, stay curious and keep chasing those remote dreams.